Our next topic is how to find median of any given distribution. So for discrete frequency distribution in class 9th we have already studied कि if the number of observation n is odd then median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. Secondly, if n is even then median is the mean or average of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So in class 10th we are going to study how to find median of group frequency distribution. So before doing that we need to know how to find cumulative frequency and convert the given data in less than type and more than type. For this we have taken an observation table. Here the daily expenditure in rupees is given, classes are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on. Number of families means frequencies are given. Then first thing is we are going to find cumulative frequency. For this, how we find cumulative frequency? First frequency will be written as it is 14. Then we will gradually keep on adding all the frequencies. Means 14 plus next frequency is 23. So 14 plus 23 is 37. 37 plus next frequency is 27. So 37 plus 27 equal to 64. 64 plus 21, 85. 85 plus 15 equal to 100. So in this way, we will get all the cumulative frequency. Now from the same table, we are going to learn today how to convert group frequency distribution in less than type and more than type data. So first is expenditure less than. In less than type we consider all the upper limit of all the classes, and in more than type we consider all the lower limit of the classes. So expenditure less than 10, upper limit 20, 30, 40 and 50. So expenditure less than 10 में आपका क्या आएगा 14. Cumulative frequency we have to write as it is. Expenditure less than 20. 20 में आपके 10 वाले भी आ गए और ये वाले भी आ गए, तो cumulative frequency हमारी क्या थी 37. Similarly for 20 to 30. So below 30 आपके सारे आ जाएंगे, तो यहाँ पर आपकी cumulative frequency कितनी है 64. Next 85 and next is 100. So means when you have to convert the data in less than type, so you simply have to write the cumulative frequency. So this one is quite easy. Next is convert data in more than type. The more than type mein when you want to convert, we consider the lower limit of the classes. So firstly I am just writing the lower limit of the classes. 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Right? Now what will come here? So that we have to now calculate. What is the total of all frequencies? That is the 100. Now what is there in the question that expenditure more than 0? So when you are saying more than 0, उसमें सारे आ जाते हैं आपके जितनी भी classes है सभी की frequency आ गई. So total of all frequencies is 100. So 100 will come at top. Next, for next class. Now expenditure more than 10. So more than 10 आप जब बोलते हो तो इसके अंदर आपके 10 के बाद वाले सारे कंसिडर हो जाएंगे. तो in that case what we will do, see frequency was 100, first frequency was 14, we will subtract it from that, so it will be 86. So 86 will come here. Next, expenditure more than 20. So more than 20 में आपके ये वाले कंसिडर होंगे, तो उस केस में आप क्या करोगे, जो आपकी सेकेंड फ्रीक्वेंसी आई है कि उसमें से आपने क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है, सेकेंड वाली जो 10 से 20 वाली क्लास है उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देना है. So it will come 63 here. Next, similarly 63 minus next is 27. So 36 will come here. Next is 36 minus next frequency is 21. So 15 will come in. So can you see something? This and this both are last are coming same. So this is the important thing, that last you will get the same frequency. So your calculations are correct then. So is it clear how to convert the given group frequency distribution in less than type and more than type data? Next is steps for finding median of group frequency distribution. So when you have converted the data in group frequency distribution, you have found the cumulative frequency. After that, we can calculate the median of a group frequency distribution. Step 1, construct a cumulative frequency distribution table. Step 2, find n by 2, where n is the sum of all frequencies. उसे हाफ करिए. Then locate the class whose cumulative frequency is just greater than n by 2. This class is median class. So select the median class. After selecting median class, step 4, find median using formula given below. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus C divided by F into H. Now let us define the terms involved here, where L is the lower limit of median class, H is the width of class interval, C is cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, F is the frequency of the median class. Now look here. Question number 1. Find the median of the following frequency distribution table. Here wages are given in rupees, number of laborers are given, and we have to find the median for it. For this, we have made a table. Now wages are given, number of laborers are given, okay, and the total is given to be 44. We have added them all, so capital N comes out to be 44. Now we will prepare cumulative frequency distribution. So first is 3 plus 5, 8 plus 20, 28, 28 plus next is 10, 38, and 38 plus 6 is 44. So if your calculations are correct, your last entry, that is 44, will be same as the number of laborers or frequency involved in your question. Okay. So next, how to find median now using this formula here. N is 44. Half of n is 22. Next, median class. Now see, 22. Now here n is equal to 44. So if we half n, then it becomes 22. Median class we have to find out. Now for this, look, here half of n is 22 and cumulative frequency of class, which is just greater than 22, is 28. So class corresponding to 28 is 400 to 500. So this will be the median class. So median class is 400 to 500. Lower limit of median class 400. Frequency of median class is 20. Then next, cumulative frequency of class preceding median class is 8. Correct? Now we will simply put all these values in the formula of median to find median. So this comes out to be 400 plus half was 22 minus 8 whole divided by 20 into 100. So after your final calculations, it comes out to be 400 plus 70, that is 470. So this is our final answer. Okay. So in this way, we can find the median from a group frequency distribution. Next, we will discuss a question in which the data is not given in group distribution. It is given in less than type, and then we have to first convert it in group distribution. The question is, a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policy are only given to persons having age is 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So here ages are given, number of policy holders are given, but ages in years are given below 20, below 25, means this is less than type data. So now we will convert this data first in a normal group distribution. For this, age in years. Now see, what is the class size, what is the gap? That is 5. So we will subtract, these are the upper limits, so we will subtract 5 from each upper limit. So 20 minus 5 is 15. First class 15 to 20. Second 25 minus 5 is 20. So second class is 20 to 25. Third is 25 to 30, and so on till the last class is 55 to 60. Secondly, write down all the cumulative frequencies here. Now we have to find the frequency of each class interval. For this, how we will do the calculation? Look here. First class, number of policy holders below 20 will be the same as in the question. So that is 2. Number of policy holder below 25. अब below 25 में आपके below 20 वाले भी count हो रहे हैं, तो हमें उन्हें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Subtract. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Similarly, below 30. For below 30, we have to subtract the policy holders below 25. So 24 minus 6. So that is 18. Next is 45 minus 24. So that is 21. Next is 78 minus 45. So that is 33. Then 89 minus 78. So that is 11. Then 92 minus 89. So that is 3. Then 98 minus 92. So that is 6. 100 minus 98. That is 2. So in this way, we can convert the given less than type data into a group frequency distribution table, and then we can find the median as the method we have used in our earlier question. Next, we will discuss Hodge question on median.